Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve VMware Workstation is slow performance issue in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that problem guys. First you just need to open the VMware and shut down it, and after getting shut down you just need to go to CMD guys. You just need to, after getting shut down, you just need to go to CMD command prompt, open the command prompt, run as administrator, and you just need to check my video description for this command guys. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Before entering it, you just need to check whether it's shut on. Wait for it. After getting shut on, you just need to minimize it, and we just paste in command guys. Press enter and the operation completed successfully. After doing this, close out of here and go ahead and restart your computer guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve your problem, and I'm gonna tell you guys the next solution is what I am faced in my VMware. Go to File Explorer and go to this PC. You just saved VMware for Windows 11 or Windows 10. You just need to take a copy first. You just need to take another copy and use the copy. You just need to use this copy to usage guys, and after getting problem with this you just need to right click on it and select delete, and after you just need to use the copy 2, and before using it you just need to take a copy and paste it in, and that will be another copy in, and you just need to use the copy 2, and hopefully you can able to resolve it. That's the permanent solution I am facing it. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.